Hey guys, thanks again for joining us here on Garage Builds. This is part 2 to our little series of this go-kart project, father and son. So far we have pulled out the old engine.
You can see it over here, RIP engine, RIP, no one needs you anymore.
And this is the four-wheeler one we're gonna try to go in with. Luckily we got lucky and the chain that came with the four-wheeler and
fits
the
exactly
teeth.
Perfect.
Yeah, they fit exactly. So hopefully we won't have too much of an issue mounting that one on there and using that. We still got to figure out the steering. We go ahead and there you go. We still got to hook up those links. Make another. We're planning on using. Let's see. The go-kart unfortunately only had one of these, so I'm either gonna have to make a new one or see if I can order one online. I was planning on using the one from his four-wheeler, but it won't work due to the angle of this one. The one on the go-kart's straight. This one's more at an angle, so that ain't gonna work. But yeah, we're slowly moving along. We're sanding it right now. What color do you think we should paint it, Willie?
I was thinking something like your H&P color.
Yeah, so it might be something like that. So hopefully we'll pick a good color. And that's it. We still got to figure out this tire situation. We might just buy some inner tubes or maybe go to Harbor Freight, see if I can find something that might work.
We also need to work on the brake and the gas pedal.
Yeah, that's another thing.
This obviously doesn't work because we detached it from the engine, so this can't pretty much do anything right now.
Yeah, we'll have to hook that up to that other engine.
The brake is working, but since the wheels are really rusty, it doesn't work so well. By the way, if you see, there's only 2 tires that are missing, which both of them are, all these wheels we have so far are actually trash, so we're gonna need to find some, which is gonna be really stinky. Awesome.
So stay tuned, guys, and hopefully you'll come back, see part 3 of our go-kart build. Hit the like button, subscribe, that way you stay posted. Say bye, Willie.
Bye.
See you on